Welcome to our retirement, folks. Morning, folks.
Morning. Just taking coffee bag out of percolator.
I want to thank, I don't know your name, the subscriber that recommended the gearbox chap in Leeds near White Rose he is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not too far away. Well, I'm going to ring him on Monday and see if I can take Tracy's car down on Monday for him to have a look at. Because Tracy's managed to get a lift into work with a work colleague on Monday. It is running, is a car, because we did go up to Chinese takeaway and get a takeaway last night, because AD and
Emily.
I always forget Emily's name. Kem. David's eldest lad, and his partner Emily came with this massive cat. Here it is now. We've got visitors, folks. It's Adi and Emily. Adi's David's son and Emily's his partner. Show you. Where is it?
He's there riding.
Oh, we've got this massive cat. What is it?
He's a Maine Coon.
A Maine Coon.
His name is Haku.
And his name is Hako.
It was just 1 year.
Hello.
They'll grow for about 3 or 4
Oh,
years.
he's hiding it, corner. When he stretches out, he's absolutely massive.
Can we pick him up?
Come on.
There you go. And they can see the
The size.
size.
The size of
He's like a
cat.
little dog, aren't you?
Oh,
Cute. He says all these people, I don't know whether I like this.
Yeah. We've lost the cat, folks. I hope. He's behind the sofa.
Ernie likes to go behind there.
A really eccentric couple. They are really eccentric. And this cat is only young. Apparently it grows even bigger than that.
Yeah. But it seemed very intelligent, didn't it?
It was.
And it didn't, somehow it acted more like a dog than a cat.
Yeah.
I thought, because it was watching everything
Yeah.
and just kept laying down here and laying down there. And,
A very inquisitive thing.
yeah, it never scratched out or,
No.
I mean, it was sniffing around where the door is, wasn't it?
Mm.
It was trying to get up on to look at Ernie, but because he could hear it making, I mean, it goes mad, does Ernie, when any other animals in house.
I know it does.
So, is that Alethea down there? Yes, it is.
I think so.
Hello.
Hi. Alethea and Tracy were down here all afternoon doing gel prints.
Mm.
Tell you what, they did a gel print of me.
She's still got it there. Have you got it?
What she's done is, she's done
That's off the big.
off that, you know, that big print, that big, well, it's my logo. It's off of this.
Yeah, she's put them separate.
Yeah. she's taking it off of that. That photograph of me looking at me saying, a 32-year-old me looking at, no, a 72-year-old me looking at a 32-year-old me. Still got my head in my hands, you notice. Because after all them years, I still haven't figured it out. What did we do with our day yesterday, Pat?
What did we do with our day? I did some ironing in the morning, and put it away, and put some more washing in. What else? I think after I'd been up in attic ironing, I'd had enough because it was so warm. I said I'm not going straight on to do aught else. And I think that was it. I don't think I did aught else rest of the day.
Right.
I did some cross stitch and decided to get a crochet book out that a friend had given me a long time ago. It's for beginners, and I had another go at doing a crochet.
They're going to want to see
bit.
this. They're going to want to see that.
Are they?
Yeah. Is it in front room?
Yeah.
You want me
it's
to
in
go
that
get
bag.
it?
Yeah.
I'll go get it. Can you?
Yeah. If you want.
Yeah. Entertain them.
It's not fantastic because I haven't done it for such a long time that I thought, well, I'll see if I can do the beginning chain and how I get on with that. And then I think I did a couple of rows. What I need is some thinner wool and a pattern to make something, so something easy, which I might get from shop below us, near Knit Studio. There's a wool shop below us. I think I'll go in there because actually the needle that I've got is a special needle that they brought out sometime during summer. I mean, it looks like knitting, doesn't it? It's quite thick wool, really.
Sure it is.
It's you see.
What's this needle?
This needle, I don't know, it's like a knitting needle, but it's got a nook on end. Can you see? Someone gave us it when we were over on Isle of Man.
Oh.
Do you remember?
No.
That tea shop we went in and she was sat crocheting at till. And she was using this needle and I said, oh, what's that? She says, oh, it's this new needle they brought out. I mean, I don't know why it's new. It just looks like a knitting needle with a nook on. So I was doing a bit of that. And I got some more of this done. You see all that green and orange there? I did that.
Yeah.
That's below the flowers.
Alright.
And what else did I do? I think that was it.
Right.
Done the bit of knitting.
Sure.
That was my test piece. So I know I can knit. Again.
You haven't forgotten?
I haven't forgotten how to knit. Whether I can still read a pattern is another thing, isn't it?
Alright. You've got a few bits and pieces going on.
Yeah.
Keeping
And
it.
this is the Kiddies Learn book.
Sure, lift it up a bit, Pat.
Sorry.
That's it.
And it's just got all the sort of little
Show them that.
little steps of how to have your hands and do your bits and pieces. That's you starting
So that's for crochet?
Yeah, this
crocheting.
is a crocheting
Right.
book.
Yeah, oh,
It shows
that's
you.
quite large. Yeah, diagrams.
Yeah, it's
That's
quite
good,
good.
that. Yeah.
Quite a good book, actually.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Double crochet.
yeah, I think that wool I'm using is a bit too thick.
What is that? A
Shows
double
you-
crochet?
Yeah, shows you how to carry on.
So,
I thought it quite well. Did quite well.
so that was your day yesterday.
That was my day in afternoon.
And then
What did I
suddenly
do
David and
Yeah. Emily and Adrian arrived
came.
with David.
Yeah, and they were here until we haven't had any tea, have we?
8:30, quarter to
But,
9.
you know, I've never ate as late in my life.
You were all right though, weren't you?
Oh, yeah. And
Yeah. Oh, I were ravenous.
yeah, I were hungry.
And
We
Tracy
didn't get
was.
us tea till about 8:30, quarter to 9, did we?
No, no, we didn't.
And Tracy took the car up to the Chinese.
Yeah,
And
it
back
worked
well.
all right, didn't
Seemed to
it?
go all right, yeah. And I think I fell asleep on bed. I was watching a old black and white film,
Yeah.
and I fell asleep. I must have fallen asleep through quite a large chunk of it,
Yeah.
because it was nearly finished when I woke up.
Right. And I fell asleep on Saturday watching Married at First Sight. We were watching, and they were sat reading letters that they'd written about one another, and I missed it all. I think I just got back end of one. Oh dear.
Yeah, but it was hot.
Oh,
I
it
never,
was.
for 2 nights, I haven't been in bed. I've been laid on it.
Yeah, but you slept, haven't you?
Yeah, I've slept. Yeah.
Yeah, we.
And somebody tried to scam me this morning.
Oh, right.
They come on telling me that I'd done something wrong on Facebook and they were going to close my account. And I needed to click on the link to go and sort it out. But it was sent through Messenger, and I thought, Facebook, I can't imagine Facebook sending me this through Messenger. And I went and clicked on profile of what it was sending me. It was somebody in Bulgaria. You'd have thought they'd have hidden that. And I thought, oh, there's no way that's from Facebook. So I deleted it.
Yeah.
Got to have your wits about you, haven't
Oh,
you?
haven't you? Yeah. Definitely.
Some nasty people out there.
Yeah. There is.
Losers.
Definitely.
Just want to make from other people's efforts. Hiya.
Hiya.
Where have you been?
Have you been
darling?
out?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I knew she'd been out.
How did you know I've been out?
I heard you. Locking door. Oh, you got some more milk?
Yeah.
Oh, and some more bread.
I thought the point was coming down because I knew there was no milk for my breakfast.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought.
Well, there were only that much left last night, and I thought you'd be having your breakfast this morning.
Yeah, I think there's still enough.
So I thought
There would have still been
I'd
enough
come.
for you. Anyway, you got some more.
I did.
Okey-doke. How did you feel this morning?
Why?
Oh, did you fall asleep while we were watching?
No.
No, you stayed awake and I fell asleep.
Yeah.
Were I snoring?
No.
No. Oh, good.
Oh.
Right.
Okay,
So-
folks.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. All right, we'll see you tomorrow, all being well.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.